Niagara Falls. The very name evokes a sense of awe and wonder, a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. Imagine standing at the brink, the mist rising like a delicate veil, as millions of gallons of water thunder over the edge. The ground trembles beneath your feet, the air vibrates with energy, and you're drenched in a fine spray. This is Niagara Falls, a natural spectacle that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. Straddling the border between the United States and Canada, Niagara Falls is actually three waterfalls. Together, they form a breathtaking panorama of cascading water, a symphony of sound and motion. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or an armchair explorer, Niagara Falls beckons with its promise of adventure and natural splendor. Please like and subscribe for more breathtaking content. Niagara Falls, as we know it today, is a relatively recent phenomenon in geological terms. Its story begins over 12,000 years ago, at the end of the last ice age, when massive glaciers retreated northward. As the glaciers melted, they released vast quantities of water, creating the Niagara Escarpment. The falls were born from the erosive power of water. The Niagara River encountered a layer of hard dolostone rock overlying softer shale and sandstone. Over time, the relentless force of the water eroded the softer rock, creating a plunge pool. The harder dolostone cap eventually collapsed, causing the falls to retreat upstream. This process has continued over millennia, sculpting the falls into their present form. Niagara Falls is more than just a stunning display of nature's power. It's a place of profound cultural, historical, and ecological significance. For thousands of years, the falls have been a sacred site for the indigenous peoples of the region, who revered the falls as a manifestation of the Creator's power. The arrival of European explorers in the 17th century marked the beginning of a new chapter in the history of Niagara Falls. French explorers, captivated by the beauty of the falls, were among the first Europeans to document their existence, sharing tales of their grandeur upon their return home. Word of this natural wonder spread quickly, attracting artists, writers, and adventurers eager to witness its splendor firsthand. Today, Niagara Falls is a global icon, a symbol of the beauty and power of the natural world. It attracts millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its grandeur, experience its energy, and create lasting memories. Niagara Falls is a reminder that some things in life are truly awe-inspiring, capable of humbling us with their magnificence and reminding us of the interconnectedness of all things. While the falls themselves are undoubtedly the main attraction, Niagara Falls offers a plethora of activities and experiences to satisfy every traveler's taste. For those seeking an up-close and personal encounter with the falls, a boat tour on the Maid of the Mist is a must-do. Donning a bright blue poncho, you'll navigate the waters at the base of the falls, feeling the mist on your face and hearing the roar of the water reverberate through your very core. If you prefer to stay dry, the journey behind the falls takes you on an unforgettable adventure through tunnels carved into the bedrock behind the cascading water. Here, you'll feel the vibrations of the falls and witness the awesome power of nature from a unique perspective. For panoramic views of all three falls, a ride on the Niagara Skywheel offers a breathtaking perspective from 175 feet above the ground. Beyond the falls themselves, Niagara Falls is home to a vibrant entertainment district, world-class dining, and a variety of attractions to keep you entertained. From casinos to museums, from amusement parks to wineries, there's something for everyone in this dynamic destination. Section 5. Daredevils and Romance Tales from Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls has always held a special allure for daredevils and romantics alike. Over the years, the falls have witnessed countless attempts to conquer their might, from tightrope walkers to barrel riders. Annie Edson Taylor, a 63-year-old schoolteacher, became the first person to survive a plunge over the falls in a barrel in 1901, cementing her place in Niagara Falls history. But Niagara Falls is also a place of romance. The falls have long been a popular destination for honeymooners, drawn to the beauty and grandeur of the setting. The swirling mists, the thundering water, and the rainbows that dance in the spray create an ambiance of enchantment and wonder, making it the perfect backdrop for a romantic getaway. Countless love stories have unfolded against the backdrop of Niagara Falls, tales of love found, love lost, and love rekindled. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply seeking a romantic escape, Niagara Falls offers a magical setting that is sure to ignite the spark. Section 6. Illuminating the Falls, Niagara Falls at night. As daylight fades, Niagara Falls undergoes a magical transformation. As darkness descends, the falls are illuminated in a kaleidoscope of colors, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that is as captivating as it is beautiful. The nightly illumination of the falls began in 1860, when 200 colored lights were used to create a dazzling display in honor of a visit by the Prince of Wales. Today, the illumination of Niagara Falls is a nightly event, with powerful LED lights illuminating the falls in a rainbow of hues, highlighting the contours of the cascading water and creating a mesmerizing display of light and motion. The best vantage points for this spectacle include Queen Victoria Park, the brink of the Horseshoe Falls, and the Skylon Tower, which offers panoramic views of the illuminated falls. The nighttime illumination adds another layer of magic to the already enchanting atmosphere of Niagara Falls. It's a reminder that even in the darkness, beauty can be found, and that some things are even more spectacular when bathed in the glow of light. Planning your Niagara escapade tips for travelers. Planning a trip to Niagara Falls is straightforward, but a little preparation ensures a smooth experience. The falls are accessible by car, bus, train, or plane, with accommodations for every budget. Peak season is summer, from June to August, with warm and sunny weather. Each season offers unique charm, from fall colors to winter's icy beauty. For panoramic views, visit the Skylon Tower or Niagara Skywheel. For an up-close encounter, try the Maid of the Mist or journey behind the falls. Pack comfortable shoes and a raincoat, as you'll walk a lot and get wet. And don't forget your camera to capture every moment. Section 8. Beyond the Falls, exploring Niagara's charms. While the falls themselves are the undisputed star of the show, the Niagara region offers a wealth of attractions and activities to round out your trip. Just a short drive from the falls, you'll find the charming town of Niagara-on-the-Lake, known for its picturesque streets lined with Victorian-era architecture, boutique shops, and award-winning wineries. Take a stroll through the historic downtown, enjoy a leisurely lunch at one of the many cafes, or embark on a wine-tasting tour to sample the local vintages. For history buffs, a visit to Old Fort Niagara is a must. This well-preserved 18th century fort played a pivotal role in the French and Indian War and the American Revolution, and offers a glimpse into the region's rich past. Explore the fort's ramparts, barracks, and cannons, and imagine life as it was centuries ago. Nature lovers will appreciate the beauty of the Niagara Glen Nature Reserve, a scenic gorge carved by the Niagara River over millennia. Hike or bike along the trails that wind through the gorge, admiring the towering rock formations, lush vegetation, and cascading waterfalls. Section 9. A culinary journey, flavors of Niagara. No trip to Niagara Falls is complete without indulging in the local culinary scene. From casual eateries to fine dining establishments, Niagara Falls offers a diverse array of options to satisfy every palate. For a taste of local flavor, be sure to sample the region's famous ice wine, a dessert wine made from grapes that have frozen on the vine. The concentrated sugars in the frozen grapes create a wine that is intensely sweet, with flavors of honey, apricot, and peach. Seafood lovers will delight in the fresh catches from the Great Lakes, including lake trout, walleye, and perch. For a casual meal with a view, head to one of the many restaurants along the Niagara Parkway, where you can enjoy your meal while taking in the scenic beauty of the river and the falls. And of course, no trip to Niagara Falls would be complete without indulging in a slice of Niagara Falls fudge. This sweet treat is a local specialty, and you'll find fudge shops throughout the tourist district, each offering a tempting array of flavors and toppings. Section 10. Preserving Paradise, the importance of conservation. The beauty and grandeur of Niagara Falls serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of environmental conservation. The falls and the surrounding ecosystem are a delicate balance of natural forces, and it's our responsibility to protect and preserve this natural wonder for generations to come. Over the years, Niagara Falls has faced its share of environmental challenges, from pollution to erosion. However, through the efforts of dedicated individuals, organizations, and governments, significant strides have been made in protecting the falls and the surrounding ecosystem. As visitors, we can all do our part to minimize our impact on the environment. By practicing responsible tourism, such as conserving water, reducing waste, and respecting wildlife, we can help ensure that Niagara Falls continues to inspire and amaze for generations to come. And Section 11. Niagara Falls awaits your unforgettable adventure. Niagara Falls is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a symphony of sound and motion, a testament to the raw power and beauty of the natural world. Whether you're seeking adventure, romance, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Niagara Falls has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and prepare to be amazed. Niagara Falls awaits, ready to captivate your senses, ignite your imagination, and create memories that will last a lifetime.